If you're seeing x.com or Twitter response error 131, don't panic. This usually points to a temporary server-side issue, a rate limit, or a problem with the specific action you're trying to do. In this video, I'll show you the most common fixes step by step so you can get back to using X normally. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, let's talk about when error 131 usually happens. On desktop or web, it often appears when you try to change your display name too many times, reply to a tweet that has been deleted or restricted, or upload content that X doesn't like, such as certain image formats. So the first thing to do is identify what you were doing right before the error showed up. That helps narrow down the cause fast. If the error happened while changing your display name, the most likely issue is that you hit a temporary limit. In that case, stop changing your name for now and wait at least 24 hours before trying again. Also keep your name simple. Remove emojis, special symbols, extra spaces, or unusual formatting, because those can sometimes trigger parsing or validation problems. After waiting, try using plain text only and save the change again. If the error appears while replying to a post, the tweet you're replying to may have been deleted, restricted, or flagged. To test this, try replying to a different tweet. If the new reply works, then the problem is not your account in general, but that specific tweet. In some cases, if a tweet violates platform rules or is no longer available, you simply won't be able to interact with it. Now let's move to one of the most effective fixes: clearing your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can cause strange errors on X's website, especially if you've been logged in for a while or the site has stored outdated data. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. This should open your browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. Make sure you select cached images and files, and also cookies if needed. Then clear the data, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into X. If the problem still continues, try opening X in an incognito or private browsing window. This is a great test because it loads the site without your normal extensions and much of your stored browser data. If X works in incognito mode, that means the issue is probably caused by your main browser setup, not your account. In that case, go to your extensions by clicking the puzzle icon in your browser. Then open Manage Extensions and temporarily disable anything that could interfere with X, such as ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or automation add-ons. After disabling them, refresh X and test again. Another thing to check is whether the issue is only happening in one browser. If you're using Chrome, try Firefox, Edge, or another browser just to compare. If it works in a different browser, that's a strong sign the problem is local to your original browser settings, cache, or extensions. You can also try logging out and logging back in to refresh the session. If you're uploading media and getting error 131, the file type or format may be part of the problem. Try uploading a different image or converting the file to a more standard format like JPG instead of PNG. Also, make sure the file isn't corrupted and that it's within the platform's normal limits. If one file triggers the error and the other one does not, then you've found the cause. If none of these fixes work, the issue may simply be temporary on X's side. At that point, waiting a bit and trying again later is often the best move. Server-side errors and rate limits usually resolve on their own after some time. You can also check whether other users are reporting the same issue, because if it's widespread, the fix has to come from the platform. So to recap, the fastest fixes for X response error 131 are: wait if you hit a name change limit, avoid special characters, test a different tweet, clear cache and cookies, try incognito mode, disable browser extensions, and check whether the problem is tied to an image upload or a temporary server issue. Follow those steps one by one, and in most cases, you'll be able to fix the error quickly. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another X or Twitter error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.